Alrighty, so today we're going to be making the simplest and easiest fried chicken. And like, fried chicken is one of my favorite foods in this whole world. But almost any time I have someone else's, like at a restaurant or someone else's place, I just hate it. And you know, everyone's always got that whole, well, I got my own special breading, and they start putting all kinds of stuff in there, and they just wreck it. Look, it's chicken. It's already going to be good. All you have to do is not ruin it. Just enhance it slightly. I'm going to show you just how slightly. Okay, so this is seriously all we're going to do to this. First, we give it some garlic salt. And some black pepper. Roll these over. Get both sides. And I'm using an air fryer, so I'm seasoning first. If you're using a deep fryer, you hit it after it comes out, or else it's just going to fall off in the oil. And yeah, this is literally all that we are doing. Like, I don't really care about the skin. I know a lot of people think it's the good stuff. If you absolutely need to have skin on there, roll it in just generic all-purpose flour, and it's going to be just amazing. And yeah, now we'll go cook it. Okay, so we preheated our air fryer. We got it set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just going to take these and drop them on in there. And I pretty much only ever eat the drumsticks. You know, it's my favorite. So you can just get whatever you like. And then, yeah, so look at that. And put that on. We're not doing 20 minutes. We're going to do this for 15 minutes. And then, you know, we'll just go watch TV or something. Alrighty, our 15 minutes is up. We'll just pull these out of here. Already looking good. 3, 4, and 5. I spent, you know, most of the day shoveling snow, so I'm a bit hungry. Let's get it in some light, see what we're working with here. See, look, we just threw them in, forgot about it, and we did hardly anything to them, and they already look, and I know they're going to be awesome. And then, so we went ahead and topped everything off with some fries, because why wouldn't you do that? And here's the real secret I'm about to show you. Is you take chicken and you dip it in ketchup. It might seem weird, but you do it one time, you're going to do it for the rest of your life. Oh, it's so good. Oh, I got some hair in there. So, yeah, that was like 20 minutes of my life, and it's delicious. And that's all you really have to do to make the world's best fried chicken.